Are you tired of juggling multiple tools to maintain good customer relationship? What if I tell you there is a powerful tool that is not only free to use but also super easy to use? Hey, I am Simon. Today I am going to talk about HubSpot CRM that will help you to generate lead, track sales, maintain good customer relationship. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll learn everything you need to know about HubSpot CRM and how to take control of your customer relationship like a pro. So get started. First things first, let's talk about what is HubSpot CRM is and why it's one of the most powerful tools out there for business of all sizes. HubSpot CRM is a customer relationship management tool that helps you manage your contact, track deals, and automate marketing all in one platform. And the best part, it's free to use. That's right, you can get access to essential tools like lead capture forms, email marketing, and contact management without paying a dime. Now let's start setting up your HubSpot account. Head over to HubSpot.com and sign up for a free account using your Gmail, Apple account, Microsoft account, or using any business mail you have. Once you have signed up, HubSpot will guide you through a short setup process. You will fill out some basic information about a business. Then you will be taken to your CRM dashboard. Now let's get started with the basic setup process. What would you like to focus on first? It will personalize your experience based on your choice. You can always do more later. Like if your purpose is automate marketing, you can choose automate marketing option. Generate leads, grow and manage sales pipeline, scale customer support, build a customer website or landing page, send bills and collect payments. Like I will go with the automate marketing. You can choose later whatever you need. Are you using any of these tools? This will help us to recommend and connect your apps later when you are ready. There are over 1500 to choose from. You can choose the most relevant apps to automate your marketing. Like I'm choosing the Gmail. Add one or two contact to see your CRM in action. Like you can see that there are two sample emails contacts already. Now let's go with a demo name. abc@gmail.com content strategist. Here the lead status. You can choose in the which form your contacts are in already. So if the contact is new, you can choose the new. If it's in progress, you can choose the in progress option. I'm going with the in progress option. You can add your teammate and make him a super admin also. Okay, fine. I'm going to skip this and doing this later. My HubSpot dashboard is getting ready for me. Now that you are logged in, and let's take a look at your HubSpot dashboard. This is where all the action happens. On the left, you will find your contact. On the right, you will see areas like tasks, deals, and activities. The dashboard is easy to navigate and customizable to you that will fit your needs. You will see all the notifications to follow tasks that are due and making it easier to stay top of the team. To get started, head over the settings section here in the right corner. You'll make sure your account set up with your company details, branding, and preferences. You can enter your company name, logo, or even your business hours. This will help you personalize your CRM experience and ensure that HubSpot works seamlessly with your business. Now, let's figure out how you can do this. Now, first of all, enter your first name, date, time, and number format, United States, your phone number, your default, Fika, Fika default homepage. Now enter your emails. Here you have to connect your personal email that you will use to send and schedule emails from HubSpot. Log email replies to HubSpot automatically, suggest follow-up task, and capture contacts details from your email. The next you can see here the calling. This is available only for the uh, paid plan, and you can see it here. Then the calendar, you can add your calendar from Google also. Okay, fine. I can see that my calendar is disconnected. You can connect your calendar using this option. Here you can use Google, Microsoft, or Microsoft Exchange. That will you prefer. Then comes the task thing. Here you have to set the preferences for your task creation. Uh, the default task creation preferences are quite good. You can go with this. Now let's get started with the contact. HubSpot CRM is all about managing your relationship with your customers and leads. So adding your contact is the first step. To add contact, you can create a contact, import, or even input your contact with CSV. You can see this. You can see that you can contact input contact from files, sync from apps, and migrate from your data. If you have any existing data, you can migrate it here. Now, if you are working with multiple contacts from the same business or organization, you can group them under companies. This will help you to track your relationship with an entire company instead of just individual contacts. To add a company, just click on the Create Company option and input details like company's name, domain, phone number, industry. HubSpot can even pull in some information automatically to save you time. Once you have added companies, you can easily associate contacts with them to stay organized and keep all the communications in one place. Let's learn how you can do this. Like my company name is domain name is com, company name is Fesaloe, and the company owner. Okay, this is Knock Knock. As my email address name is Knock Knock, it's showing like that. The default email username. The industry is consulting type of company prospect. Here you have to enter the city, state, postal code, number of employees, annual revenue, time zone description, and LinkedIn company page. These are some optional features. You can add it later if you want. Like you can see that the company is added. Here in the right of the corner you can see contact, deals, tickets, payment links, and subscription. You will get every insights here according to the company that you have triggered your contacts. You can track up to 1 million contacts up with the free CRM platform. Next up, let's talk about deals and pipelines. This feature is fantastic for managing your sales process. Your sales pipeline is essentially a visual representation of your deals at different stages. HubSpot allows you to create multiple pipelines to organize various workflows for different product, service, or sale team. You can customize your pipeline stages, whether it's a lead or a negotiation or closed on, and you can do this with just a few clicks. You can drag and drop deals into different stages as they progress. I will show you how you can do this. In the deal section, click on the create deal button, usually located at the top right of the screen. A pop-up form will appear. Here you will need to enter some important information about the deal, such as deal name, a brief title of the deal, that is ABC Corp software packages, well, so on. The pipeline, select the which pipeline this deal belongs to, like how it allows you to create multiple pipeline for different products, service, or team. Then the deal stages. Choose the current stage of the deal in your pipeline, like appointment schedule, proposal sent, buyer own, buyer agreed to buy, these kind of things. The close deal, set an estimate date when you expect to deal to close. The deal value, enter the potential monetary value of the deal. The associate contact, link the deal to a contact or company from your HubSpot CRM. Then now click create, save the deal. Let's say, let's get started. The deal name is Fesalway Project 11. The sales pipeline. Okay, F1 schedule. Did the deal stage decision maker bought in, or I can say contract signed. Okay, the deal amount is $50,000. The close date is like say 29 January 2025. The deal type is new business, priority, of course, high. Contract, like say Brian, this is the contract the deal is belong to. The company, the company means which company, or as we have shown already how to create company and how you can create multiple company and you can manage the contacts from one dashboard under different company. Like I am selecting the Fasalway. Okay, at the item you can add a line item, you can manage property library, or you can search here like okay, let it be like this, create deals. Okay, fine, let's see. You can see here every detail of the deal, that about this deal, the owner name, the last contacted detail, business type, priority, and you will get here everything you need about the project, like the ticket. You can track the ticket. If the customer request any kind of thing, you can check it here you can see the payment links. You can give the customer a fast flexible way to pay. You can add a payment link to accept a payment and associate it with this record. And now let's go to the deals section, where the sales pipeline is belong. Okay, as you can see the different stages of the deal: appointment scheduled, qualified to buy, selected, and contract sent. Here's the deal I have created. Like say you have sent the contract and client is agreed to your deal. Okay, now you can set it, drag and drop on the closed on section. Here you can see you can keep a record of each deal. Okay, here presentation schedule, like you have scheduled the presentation and you have done the presentation very well, the decision. Then you have sent the contract. You can simply drag this project to the contract sent. After the contract sent features, the when the client is agreed to buy your product, you can set it to the close deal here. It's very simple. Like say that you have on total $60,000 worth of deal already. If the somehow the customer is not convinced, you can set the here the closed or lost. You can from here you can follow up the client. If somehow someday the client converts, you can again drag and drop the client to the data or the deal on the closed on pipeline. In the deal record phase, you can see the complete history of actions for the particular deal, such as you can track any email correspondence related to the deal, logs of calls made to the contact associated with the deal, information about the meeting related to the deal, any task created, that is follow-up, reminder, or action items, any manual notes added by you or your own team. Okay, you can also setting task and reminder for the deals. While viewing a specific deal, scroll down to the activity section. You can get here the activity section. Here you can like any activity you can track here. You can see here the two. You can check the today activity, yesterday activity, tomorrow activity, this week so far, last week, next week, this month. You can track here everything you need. The closed deals, you can here the check the everything about the closed deals. Here are some more section like amount, anything you can need to close your deal faster. You can, if you want, you can also update the deal information. If there is any update to deal, like change in deal value, close date, or stage, simply click on the deal and open its detail. Simply here you can edit everything you need about the deal. Okay, you can edit everything, like this is a new business, everything you need to change. Okay, you can track the deal progress of your deals for pipeline view or the board view. In a pipeline view, you can see all your deals categorized by stages, is easily access how you close your deals. HubSpot also provides report and dashboard to analyze performance of a deal, such as deal forecast and deal velocity. Track how long deals are staying in each stage and identify potential bottleneck. And the when a deal successfully is closed, if you want to move it to the closed stage, it's okay. Simply drag and drop to the closed lost stage. HubSpot will automatically track all closed deals and you can generate reports to measure your sales performance. Now let's talk about the tickets. HubSpot CRM's ticket feature is designed to help you manage your customer support requests and track their resolution. It's a great way to keep track of any issues, customer queries, requests that come through your business. To access to the ticket features, all you need to do, click on the create a ticket and fill out the form. The following details like ticket name, every description about the issue, priority, is it low, medium or higher priority, ticket status, open, pending or closed, and you can enter the associated company. Like, let me see, like the issue, the product is faulty. Waiting for contact, the destination is the ticket destination will be the specific place or team within your customer support system where a customer support ticket is directed to be handled, essentially including which department or individual agent is responsible for resolving that particular ticket based on its subject or other criteria. Here, let's say Mr. Ishfaq will handle this ticket, and source of the ticket source is can be chat, email, form or phone number. Okay, let's say it's the source. Let's say the priority is high. The contact person is done by Maria Johnson. This is the contact person who contacted, and the company is under Faisal. Let's create. Once the ticket is created, you can assign tickets to a team member, add notes, track progress, close tickets once the issue is resolved. Plus, you can use the ticket views to filter tickets based on their status, priority, and more. You can see it here. I always love the grid view. Okay, that's on board view here. Waiting for contact. Like if the ticket is done and closed, you can simply drag and drop to the closed. It will show this the ticket, the problem is solved and the customer is satisfied. Okay, then when the client is waiting for you, you can waiting for a reply, you can drag and drop to this here. You can assign that where it suits most. Okay, if the ticket were totally new, you can set it here. Next up, let's talk about lists. Lists are essential for organizing contacts and managing marketing or sales outreach. In HubSpot, there are two types of list: active list and static list. Let's if you want to create a list, click on the create list option. Here you can see contact based, card based, company based, deal based, order based, and ticket based. Okay, now let's say here, as I said, there are two types of list: active list and static list. The active list, these are dynamic lists that automatically update based on certain criteria. For example, if you create a list of contact who have opened your last email, HubSpot will automatically update this list when someone new meets that criteria. Static list, this list that stay the same unless you manually add or remove the contact. You can create filter based on different properties like contact activity, lifecycle stage, or any custom field you have set up. These lists are helpful for organizing your outreach effort, segmenting leads, and running targeted marketing campaigns. Let's take a look at the inbox feature. The HubSpot inbox brings together all your communication, whether it's email, live chat, or even social media messages, into one center place. This helps you to stay on top of all customer interactions in a unified space. To access the inbox, all you need to go to the CRM and click on the inbox option. Here you will see all the conversation your team is having with your customers. From the inbox, you can send and reply to email directly from HubSpot, assign conversation to different team members, track conversation based on the issue or request, making it easier to track and follow up. You can even manage live chat interaction from the inbox, so you can respond instantly to any question on your website. It's really a efficient way to manage your customer support or sales related conversation in one place that ensure no messages slip through the crack. Now let's cover the calls. Making and tracking calls is a crucial part of sales process, and HubSpot CRM make it easy to log and track all of your calls directly in the system. You will see an option to log a call and or make a call. If you want to log a call you have already made, select the log a call, fill the details. You will get here outcome, call notes, and follow-up task. In the call outcome, whether the call was successful, voicemail left, or no answer, you can track here everything. You can also get the transcript here, but this feature is only available for the paid version. Here you can track everything you need about calls. If you're using a calling feature with HubSpot phone integration, you can even make calls directly through the CRM using your computer or connected phone. After the call, it will automatically log all the detail and saving you time and effort. It's really amazing and time saver and money saver feature who is juggling into multiple tools and paying a very high price for doing customer support. And lastly, we have Task, a powerful tool for staying organized and on top of your to-do list. Whether it's following up with leads, sending quote, or checking in customer ticket, Task will help you to manage everything seamlessly. To create a task, click on the task and go to this create task features, and you will see here the task name, task to do, priority associated with the records assigned to you. Here you will select which of your team member should be assigned to this task. Here is the queue. Like, let me discuss it further. The task name, what is the task you need to complete? Due date, when should the task should be completed by? And task type, is it a call, email, or a meeting? Assign task, you can assign tasks to yourself or a team member. Once your task is created, you can set a reminder and track your progresses. Tasks also sync with your calendar so you can view all your upcoming tasks and deadlines in one place. And that's it for today's HubSpot tutorial for beginners. If you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.